Hello everyone, it's Neil from Lancaster Automart. We've got this stunning 2016 Gara White Abarth 595. It's a 1.4 litre T-Jet Turismo. As you can see, it is a petrol and it's a manual. It's got 24,630 miles on the clock. It comes with the 70-inch alloy Turismo wheels with the black brake calipers. As you can see there, great condition with all four wheels. Show you there, and there. It also comes with the dark rear tinted quarter window, and it comes with a full service history. There you go. Not only that, it comes with the electronic brake force disruption and electronic stability control with functions with ASR hill holder. It's also got Connie FSD rear shock absorbers, and it comes with the rear parking sensors. As you can see, just open it. It's got a racing cockpit. Comes with the Abarth sports leather seats. Great condition of the seats as well. Comes with the Abarth multi-function steering wheel, which has functions like voice control and Bluetooth hands-free with USB. Comes with two cup holders and a USB and aux auxiliary. It comes with the 5-inch touchscreen display. Comes with a smoking package, and it also has sports mode. It's got climate control, electronic windows. There's the display. It's got a TFT clustered instrument display, and it's got 24,630 miles on the clock. It's got functions such as radio, media. You can track your trips, all the miles per gallon. You can connect your phone, obviously, to Bluetooth, and there's Uconnect and overall temperature. Very handy. As you can see, two more cup holders in the back. I'll just show you the back. Leather seats, leather interior seats, great condition, no scuffs, no rips, plenty of leg space as well. There you go, I'll just show you the boot. It's got LED tail lights as well. There you go, there's the boot. No scuffs, no rips, no tears. Valets have done a great job, as you can see, all the way around the car. A final look. If you do need any more further information or pictures or information about your part exchange or financing the car, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.